Did you know that you can still buy a home with 100% financing? Many people are under the impression that the 100% loan was dead and gone, but those people will be pleasantly surprised to find that there are a few options still available to get 100% financing. The program I'm going to tell you about today is the Georgia Dream Home Program. Here's how the program works. Depending on your type of employment, purchase price, and credit score, the program offers you either $5,000 or $7,500 to be applied toward down payment in the form of a second mortgage. Now, in the good old days, we saw loans that had a 90% first mortgage with a 10% second mortgage, or 80% first with a 20% second, and other variations that added up to 100% financing. In this case, the purchase price minus the $5,000 or minus $7,500 is the amount of the first mortgage with the $5,000 or $7,500 as a second mortgage. The great thing about this second mortgage is that unlike the old 90-10 or 80-20 loans, you'll never make monthly payments on the second mortgage amount. Now, this is not a gift, but a second mortgage with a balloon payment due when the property is refinanced or sold. When you refinance or sell your property, the amount of the second mortgage will be put back into the Georgia Dream Homes bank account to be reutilized, helping another buyer more easily get into their Georgia Dream Home. So here's how you can tell how much of a second mortgage you qualify for. If you purchase a home with a purchase price up to $150,000, you qualify for a $5,000 second mortgage. If you purchase a home with a purchase price between $150,001 to $250,000, you qualify for a $7,500 second mortgage. Now, the following people actually qualify for the $7,500 even if their purchase price is less than $150,000. If you are disabled or work in an industry considered to be protectors, educators, or nurses. Protectors include police, fire, military. Educators include teachers and anyone working within the school system, so cafeteria ladies, receptionists, librarians, they would all fall into that educators category. Nurses, that's actually almost anyone in the medical field. File clerks, receptionists, anybody working in a medical office would qualify under the nurses portion. So if you fall into one of these categories, even with a purchase price at $150,000 or under, you still qualify for the $7,500 second mortgage. Now, the credit score and debt-to-income ratios are very reasonable, with credit scores as low as 620 still being able to qualify. What Georgia Dream Homes requires of you is that you have at least $1,000 invested into the program, you participate in a short and convenient homebuyer education program, and cannot have owned a home in the past 3 years. And believe it or not, there are even some exceptions that apply to the previous home ownership. So if you've owned a home in the last 3 years, you may still even qualify. Of course, terms of programs like these can change rapidly, so be sure to check for current details.